In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in GoHighLevel automations. By the end, you'll know how to turn a simple idea into a working workflow using the AI builder inside GoHighLevel, with ChatGPT doing the heavy lifting for the prompt. All you need is access to ChatGPT and your GoHighLevel subaccount. Start by opening ChatGPT. You're going to use it as your prompt writer. The goal here isn't to have ChatGPT build the whole workflow directly, but to generate a clear, well-structured prompt that GoHighLevel's AI can understand. This saves time and gives you consistent results. Next, ask ChatGPT to make a prompt specifically for a GoHighLevel automation. Be explicit about your use case. For example, you could say, create a prompt for a lawyer lead follow-up automation in GoHighLevel. Include who the audience is, the goal of the automation, the tone of the messages, and any key steps you want, like timing, channels, and conditions. The more context you provide here, the better the automation builder will perform. If the first output feels vague, ask ChatGPT to refine it for clarity and brevity. Once you're happy with what ChatGPT gives you, copy the entire prompt. Make sure you grab everything, including any bullet-free structure or variables it suggests, and keep it clean. No personal data or sensitive information. Now open your GoHighLevel subaccount. This is where your automations live and where you'll use the AI builder. Inside your account, head to the Automation section. This is typically in the main navigation. You'll see your existing workflows here if you have any. Choose Create Workflow. Think of a workflow as the sequence that moves your leads or customers through messages, delays, and actions based on triggers. Select Build Using AI. This is the feature that turns your prompt into a draft workflow. It's designed to interpret your intent and produce steps, messages, and logic that match your description. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the AI Builder field. Double-check for typos and ensure it clearly states the audience, objective, tone, timing, and any triggers or conditions you want. Keep the language direct and unambiguous. Now wait until the AI finishes making your automation. You'll see it generate the workflow and populate the steps on screen. That's it. You've used ChatGPT to craft the right instructions and GoHighLevel's AI to build the automation from them. From here, you can read through what was created to make sure it matches your intent and you're ready to move forward.